Hey, I want to know about copying a list. Yeah, sure. There's a library called copy. You have to import the library in order to make use of its functionalities. Say example, you create two lists with same set of elements. Here both A and B are exact same. So, by adding in another element to A, not only changes the length of A, but also makes the appendant to B. See, both A and B have modified. Here's the case, copy library comes into picture. Copy has a function called deep copy. It helps us in copying the data from one variable but prevents from getting modified when the copied variable gets manipulated. Here's how we do the syntax for deep copy. B equals copy.deep copy of A. So, now if we append something into A, B doesn't get affected. See, B still remains at the copied stage. The same scenario works for dictionary as well. When we have a key value and if we update for one, the other variable is also affected. By doing deep copy, problem gets resolved. For more shorts like this, stay notified and subscribe for more data. Thanks.